Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done another Starline system called the Duo package, where we've used a tracker, which we're not going to show you today, but obviously it's a tracker with an authorization tag, which means that obviously if the car's hit, lifted or moved, or the ignition has been switched on, then you'll get a notification on your phone by ringing you. Okay, and we've also fitted the Immobiliser due to relay attack. So how the system works, if someone was to jump in and start the vehicle, let's just start the vehicle up. And as we go to drive away, you'll see the vehicle will actually cut out. Okay, if I drive away now, put foot on the brake, drive away, you'll see the car will stumble to a halt. Okay, so basically, every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, it's really straightforward. Just basically turn the ignition on, start the vehicle up. Let's just turn it off. Okay, so let's just start the vehicle up again, one more time. Only this time we'll go through a push sequence. On here we've done something very basic. So hit this 3 times, 1, 2, 3, receive our melody. There you go, and then we can drive the vehicle away. Let's go backwards because obviously we've got a post in front of us. See, the vehicle's not cutting out now, and we'll go forward as well. Okay, just to show you that obviously this time it's not immobilising and cutting out. Okay, so now if the customer wanted to take the car for a service, or he wanted to change the code, for example, this is also very straightforward. So we're going to change the code. And the way you change the code is obviously without your foot on the brake. Just tap the start button 3 times. On this one, it's the characteristics of the vehicle if you haven't got your foot on the brake. So 1, 2, 3. Disarm the system. So 1, 2, 3. Receive our melody. Maybe done a bit too quick, and I'll start again. So 1, 2, 3. Main ignition on. And do our disarm code. So 1, 2, 3. There's our melody, and then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the start button on. Wait for a little while. On this one, you've got a slight delay, and then back on. And we get 5 bleeps. So I'm just going to change the code for video purposes, just to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bit too loud, but we'll wait for the confirmation. And we'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. I think that's the same. There you go. New code is now learned. So I turn it off. On this particular one, give it about 20 seconds. And then obviously I will be able to start it. And this time I'll do a new code, but I'm actually going to turn the volume button really low, because I've used a really silly code. So let's try it now. So let's just start it. Vehicle started. Let's try a new code. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. There you go. Select a gear. We can drive away. Okay. Really simple. Really straightforward. Also, you can place it into valet mode, and the way you place it in valet mode, again, ignition on, start the vehicle, should I say, do your push sequence, receive your melody, and then you hit one of the buttons on the network 11 times, key off, pause for about 10 seconds, key back on, you get 2 bleeps, and then basically when you get it back, start the vehicle up, do your push sequence, you get 2 bleeps and it's out of valet mode. You'll see that on all my other videos. I'm not going to do it on that, but finally now I'm just going to show you the actual tracking system. So basically this is a tracker, and it's a tag as authorization. So obviously if they were to clone this key, try and start it and drive away, they couldn't. But say they were to lift it or turn on the ignition or hit it, for example, another vehicle hits it and this tag is not within range, as soon as they obviously do that, the phone will ring. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to attempt to put it in a Faraday pouch, see if the Faraday pouch seals it. I'm going to wait for it to set. It takes about 10 seconds to set. I'm then going to start the vehicle, put the push sequence in and try and drive away. And then hopefully you'll see the customer's phone ring, and it gives us a notification. Obviously the vehicle is being attacked in some form or another. I think it's about 10 seconds now, so let's just start the vehicle. Start the vehicle, put our disarm code in, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. There you go. It's actually calling us already. So if I answer it, put the speaker on.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Dial 0.
Okay.
Alarm 0.
It's now giving us notification.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Ignition is on.
There you go. So we're getting an instant alert of what's actually happening.
Alarm in alarm system mode.
So basically this has got a tracker with an alert system, it's got a canvas immobiliser, and it's got push sequence, disarm and valet mode. Hope you found this quick video helpful. As I said, my name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.